Hello everyone. Today we're going to see how to cancel an order on TikTok Shop. Customers can request cancellation within TikTok Shop's cancellation window, usually before shipping or right after purchase. If the request is within the time window, the order is cancelled automatically and no seller action is required. Though, if the request is outside the time window, it appears in eDesk's mailbox as a ticket. You can choose approve cancellation, which customer gets refunded and order gets cancelled, or reject cancellation, provide a reason like already shipped, and the order continues if you're a seller. Businesses can cancel an order via eDesk if items is out of stock, fraud is suspected, or policy violations occur. Just go to the orders page in eDesk, create a new ticket, then choose cancellation, enter a reason, then customer is notified. And that's it, guys. Just a pro tip, always respond quickly to cancellation or refund requests to maintain seller ratings and avoid penalties from TikTok Shop. Thank you for watching. And please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.